Hello guys, so today we are working on a Volkswagen Polo 2011 All Keys Lost, which is on a UDS video system. So here you pull the flap down and then you've got two T20 screws holding these clocks in. Get them out and then you can pull these clocks out. One sec, let me do that. There you go, and you've got the clip on the back here, which you then just unclip that. And that's us, clocks are out. We're going to strip these down. See these two little T8 screws there? They need to come out. Another one there, another one there. So we're going to jump in the back of the van and get these all stripped down now. And once we've got the clock stripped down, we plug in our COP2 cable into our Z-fill. We can go on to standard OBD. Then we look for Volkswagen and we can do auto detect because this cable here, it powers up the clocks. So it will find the system and it'll show UDS video. And then we need to go to extract pin code using CO2P and it'll give us the list of the clocks that we've got. So we have these ones. And then if you're unsure what type it is, just on here, you can go on to type 1. You can go on to tips and hints. And it shows you a picture of the clocks here. This isn't one that we're working on, so I can show you how you can tell. The blue clip here, that's straight and that's on an angle. And on our clocks, the blue clip is at an angle and the chip is square. So I will select the right ones on here and then I'll show you how to pin this out. Here we go. So we're going to be working on type 5 clocks. On your tips and hints it shows you the diagram, but then if you scroll down it'll show you the EEPROM location on here. And go down and then it gives you the exact pinpoint. So if we take what's on there onto our clocks off on here, then we would be selecting this little hole to pin out. So we'll get that done and I will try and show you. So it's saying it's not in programming mode. Would we like to put it into mode? Yes, we would. And this will fail. It's really common. So turn the ignition off. We're going to use this up here. The clock lights will go off. We'll hit forward. And this is where we have to pogo pin. So we know our location is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply pressure there. Then you have to switch the ignition to on, which I can't do with one hand holding the phone. So bear with me 2 seconds. And then you get the 8 seconds before you can release the pogo. So we release that and hit forward. This should fail this time round. And then we go again. Data not match, yep. Normally you'll have to do this 2, maybe 3 times. So we'll go to the off position. That'll turn that off. Hit forward. And we go back to the pogo, which is on there. And then I have to use my other hand. See, it's going through it again. And just hold this down as steady as you can. Release it. Hit forward. There you go. So we're getting in. And there it has. It's got all of our data. So what I would do now is I will take a photo of this. Once you've got this data, we're going to plug in via OBD, so we're going to put the clocks back together, plug in via OBD, and we're going to continue key programming. So I will get all of this assembled, plug it into the car and show you the second half.